In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a text box using Google Slides and Google Drawings, all in just 5 minutes. Whether you're giving a presentation or creating a graphic, adding text is essential, and knowing how to use these tools effectively can make your work stand out. To start, head over to Google Slides by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Google Slides website. It's important to make sure you're signed into your Google account if you aren't already. This ensures you have access to all your documents and makes saving and sharing your work a seamless process. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Here you can begin a brand new project or work with an existing one. Depending on your needs, you might opt for a blank presentation if you want to start from scratch, or you might select from the array of templates available that can serve as a foundation for your project, saving you time and effort if you have specific styles in mind. After choosing your template or blank slate, it's time to add text to your project. Find the Insert button located at the top menu of the page. Clicking on this will drop down a menu with various options. Among these, look for the text box option and select it. Now that you've enabled the text box tool, you can click and drag on your slide to create the text box. This action will allow you to determine the initial size and placement of your text box on the slide. You can always reposition and resize it later, so don't worry about being too precise at this stage. Once your text box is in place, click inside it to begin typing. The toolbar above will present various customization options, allowing you to adjust the font type, size, color, and many other features just like a standard word processor permits. As you add and tweak your text, keep in mind the overall design of your slide. Try to maintain balance between your text and any images or graphics you may include. It's also worth noting that if your project requires a more freeform design, Google Drawings can be a useful alternative or complement to Google Slides. The process for inserting text boxes is very similar, and you can easily integrate drawings into slides or other components of your presentation. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your Google Slides presentations and make your text elements clear, effective, and visually appealing. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and some creativity, your presentations will be on a whole new level. Thanks for watching and happy creating.